One of the responsibilities that comes with hosting your own WordPress site is managing your own security and backups. This is a pretty dull subject, and a lot of people tend to put it off or just assume it's not that important. But trust me, if your site ever gets hacked or if you lose a bunch of data in some kind of catastrophe, you're going to wish you'd been prepared from the start. We won't spend too much time on this, but I want to go over the essentials so you can protect yourself. Let's start with the most basic thing: passwords. Understand that as the administrator of your WordPress site, your password is the only thing stopping an intruder from gaining unfettered control of your site and locking you out. So make sure that your WordPress password is secure, like a complex mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that wouldn't be easy to guess, and don't use it for any other site. On a related note, it's a good idea to use a password manager like LastPass to generate and store secure passwords for all of your accounts, not just WordPress. All you have to remember is a single master password. LastPass handles the rest, and it's totally free. I highly recommend it. I also recommend you install a plugin called Loganizer. One of the simplest methods that hackers use to gain access to a site is a brute force attack, which is a trial and error tactic where a bot basically tries random username and password combinations over and over and over until it finally gets in. This plugin will automatically lock a user out after a set number of unsuccessful login attempts, protecting you from brute force attacks. There are a lot of plugins out there for backups and security, but there's one in particular that I strongly suggest you use, and that's Wordpress. Now, it is subscription-based, so it'll cost you anywhere from $5 to $30 a month, depending on the plan you choose, but I'd say it's well worth it for what you get. So what is Wordpress? It's a service that automatically backs up your data and monitors your site for malware and security flaws. If you ever need to restore a backup, you can do it basically with a couple of clicks. And Wordpress is made by the same people who make WordPress, so they really know their stuff. Getting set up is as easy as signing up at vaultpress.com and then installing the Wordpress plugin on your site. If you can't justify the cost of Wordpress yet, there are free plugins out there such as WordFence for security and Backup WordPress for backups. As long as you've got something in place to prepare yourself, you're good.